Hey there, I am making an offer that is unique. I've never done this before. It's just for clients and past clients or those who have been through my coaching who want to gift this. It's a strategic planning session where we put completion on the year that just passed. We do a personal and professional development plan to see where you have the skills or where you might be lacking the skills. And then we put together your very own strategic plan for your life. If you're interested in this 3-part series, it has all the accountability of great coaching. It's just a one-off. It's not a number of sessions. It's basically pre-work, a 90-minute session, and then follow up 1, 2, or 3 months later. If you're interested, look at the flyer, DM me or Marco Polo me or check in with Shannon. I've never done this before, but when I realized I'm just finishing a year where I finally made it to the national podium, I have a best-selling Amazon book, and I shifted my personal life so drastically, and it's all been successful. I realized the planning that I use to battle with my ADHD is planning that might help you. So I'm offering this first time ever this year.